What is new on LinkedIn this week? So we are going to start with LinkedIn ads, and LinkedIn have added their own AI tool to your LinkedIn ads. It's called Accelerate, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works in just a minute. But let me tell you a little bit about what it does. So it's an AI-powered solution to help you to make the right decisions on your ads, to target your ads specifically, and help you with creative. And it's to speed up the entire process. So what's not to like about that? If you haven't done ads before, then you go to your For Business tab across the top and click down to Advertise on LinkedIn. Okay, so it opens up your LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the Ads Campaign Manager at the top here, and we're going to create a new ad. So to create a new advert, you go to the Create button here and click on it. And you're going to create a campaign. And what it's doing now is we're going to decide what kind of campaign do we want. So we could pick on, let's say, engagement as our objective to increase social engagement and page followers, and click Next. And then this is the new feature. So Accelerate, maximize your performance with a streamlined setup tailored for your business objectives. You have then a campaign group, and we're just going to walk you through this step by step. So let's say we're going to go with a single image and click Next. Now we want to say what it is that we are what is the product that we want to promote. So I'm going to say I'm promoting the video visibility package, and it's saying, okay, what can you share the URL for this product? So I'm going to go and grab that from my website. So I'm going to post the URL in here, and I'm going to draft the campaign, and this is where then the AI is going to start to help us. This is going to help LinkedIn's AI understand our brand, and it's going to suggest targeting and creatives for us. Okay, so you can see over on the right hand side you have the help from AI, and this is the point. So each section has got an assist section, and we can click on that to get AI suggestions for audience signals, budget, creative, and scheduling. And it takes an optimization phase of 10 to 14 days where the AI will dynamically adjust your target and budgeting. So you can see at each section it's got the AI assist. So when you click on the assist, it will give you information in here in the little conversation. Okay, so really interesting new addition for an AI addition to LinkedIn ads. Let me know if that is something you think you're going to use. So what are LinkedIn saying about this new Accelerate AI? They say early users have seen very strong results. LinkedIn analysis shows that Accelerate campaigns have improved cost per action by up to 42% and could be built 15% more efficiently compared to classic campaigns. So that sounds good overall, doesn't it? One testimonial highlighted a 3 times increase in lead form completion rate and a 66% cheaper cost in leads. So would be worth trying. All right, so what else is coming up in the news you can use this week? This one is not an addition, this is a removal. So without any notice, LinkedIn have decided to remove the custom call to action links on our profiles. Okay, so where is this feature exactly? So on your profile, if you have premium and you click on the introductory card option, if we scroll down, we have the ability to add in this link, premium custom button. So edit custom button, and it says view my newsletter, and that is what shows up on my profile. And if we click done and we scroll down, where does this show for people on my posts? It shows at the very top of my post. So the announcement was made that this call to action button was going to be removed from premium custom profiles. From premium profiles with the custom link. However, it has been reversed and they're letting us keep it. That possibly people were using it to link to their OnlyFans account. So, I don't know, that could be interesting. Sorry. So it's the threat of removal is over for now. Let's see what happens next. Okay, what is the third story of news you can use this week about LinkedIn? And this is actually quite interesting. I think they're all quite interesting. This is about advanced analytics on your LinkedIn personal profile. So let's jump across to my LinkedIn profile. And this one is, I got a bit disheartened with this yesterday. When you click on your posts and you look at the analytics on your posts, so go and look at your posts, your most recent posts, and you've got advanced analytics on your posts. So what does that mean, Louise? If we go to view the analytics, you can see from this particular post how many people viewed your profile from this post. And I did a bit of diving around on this. So this is quite an engaged post, but it was nothing to do with what I do for my business. So when I look at my posts that are relating to my offers and services, which is LinkedIn content marketing done for you, I actually get more people clicking through to view my profile on that content. So that one was a post about the newsletter. The newsletter does not have this information. So if I looked at my newsletter itself, it will not give me analytics on the newsletter analytics on how many people have visited my profile off the back of that. But if we scroll down to, let's see, last week's news you can use, and we click on the view analytics of that, so that's where I'm giving helpful advice. So I had 2 profile viewers from this post and 1 follower again from that post. That is a little bit depressing because my profile, I get followers every day. So where else are they coming from? They're not coming from my content. So are they coming from search? Let's find out for a future episode. So that is 3 pieces of news you can use. Number 1, the Accelerate AI tool on LinkedIn ads. Number 2, the here today, gone tomorrow, back again today, premium custom link on premium profiles. And number 3, advanced analytics to see which pieces of content you're creating are actually generating more interest in your products and services, because people are checking out your profile once they see that content. Love to get any questions you have below, and if you see anything new coming up in the next week that we could add to next week's news you can use, then do reach out and let me know. Connect with me over on LinkedIn, Louise Brogan, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, of course. And I will see you next week.